My mom, she had been hopping through apartments because they would raise the rents. She couldn't make the payments. So for her to have the home and have like the payment that was manageable for her, you saw how much stress that lifted off of my mom. It was wonderful just seeing my mom not have to worry about that as much. And for us, I moved in with my mom for a while when I moved back from Chicago, and my sister lived with her when her husband left for Mexico because he was in the process of getting his citizenship. And having my mom being able to help us get back on our feet was wonderful, because otherwise we probably would have struggled a lot longer, or maybe have not been able to get on our feet at all, because we didn't have the support of our mom, who was able to offer a room in her home to us to be able to, grow with our careers, or, just have a safe place for us and our kids.